guys, I'm going to show you how money works. Friends and family, I'm going to show you right now. So I'll log into my data. So this is what I have left, and I already purchased miner 2, and in the next 1 minute I think this is going to expire in 20 days, 19 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes. So once it's expire, it's going to be added to my profit. This is it. I have 22 left, 22.3 left. So I already on a mining machine which is miner 2. So instead, I think it's supposed to reflect now. So the money has to change. It will change. We will change later on. So let me just explain what is all about here mining. Here mining is a new developed cryptocurrency wallet. It's a new developed cryptocurrency wallet that have been in existence in Nigeria for since April. Since between, let me say, March, April 2022. So I registered last 3 months on here mining. So it has been so good. Surely it has been so good, and consistently this company is creating trust each day. Should have added by now. I don't know the reason why, but I can suspend it. They are adding it to me, so we just have to hold on. I just want you guys to see something. I can as well suspend it if I want, but it has not gotten to the time it has to be to expire. Like normally it's 20 days. Operating day is 20 days, 1 minute. They're adding more time for me. That's how they are making. They are serve as a bonus, I think. So I'm expecting it to reflect on the amount. So let me still explain furthermore. You see that if you want to purchase any of these miners, like you have to purchase between 1 to 5 miners. Since is waiting to come, like coming soon, but it's not out yet. Miner 1, you have to purchase deposit 20 USD with 1 USD, which is the miner price. These are miner price by the side, and the other side is the supportive computing power, which you need to buy them. So that's how it works. It has not reflected yet. You just need to hold on to see with time. Come on. So with time, get to see it. But let me just suspend it so that you guys understand what I'm trying to say. You see it. So you can see it is at 89. So with the profit and the money make, this is it. This is how it works. This is how it works, guys. This is how it works. Let me go and activate it back. You can see that the same miner has expired. I have not stopped it. It would have it will still be going, like it will just add some minutes for me. But now it's saying man has expired. It has expired 20 days. It has reached the 20 days, which is here, everything here already. So let us proceed forward. Like I want to withdraw now. This is the wallet. One of these wallets. This one is from Binance. The one up is from Binance. The one down is from Busha. So if I go to Busha, I've already copied it here. There. 7112. So if you have Busha already, so this is Busha. This is my Theta and deposit. This is my wallet address. This wallet address has been copied already there. This is it. That is it. No, this is it. You can see it. We have 3 under Theta. We have USDT RC20. We have USD BSC. We have USDT RC20. This RC20 is one I copied there. You can see it started with TK and end with KF. You can see it is the one, this one. So I want to remove an amount now. Let me put 22, what I want to send, but what I'm going to receive is 21. Yeah, money will charge 1 USD. So I will confirm it. Confirm. It has been applied now. You see the money has reduced now. You can see it. So with the winning amount here, I cannot go and activate because I am like 3 mining machine here. I can activate them because the one we use here is 20 already, so it's expired already. So I just have to go here and activate it with the amount, and you know that is 67 is for the deposit computing power, and I have 67 which I have withdrew 22 out to pusher right now. So let me check record of deposit and withdrawal to be proceed. I have not received it yet. To be proceed, still on that process. So let me just activate this one now. Let me activate this. So I've used this, I've activated this now. Okay, let me still wait. The withdrawal is approved. So by now I should have received it at Busher. I should have received it at Busher. See, this is they sent me 21. I've just received the amount now. Not quite long. I think there was a slow with the mining network today, but I've just received the amount. I've just received it. So that was how AI mining works. That's how it works. Well, it's very nice. It's better you join AI mining now. Even though you don't have the amount, just try to build network. Continue to build network. It will help you. The long lasting of AI mining will help you. You can see that I've just received the money from Busher. Received from USD address, status completed, price at 731, fee free approximately. So to view the block explorer, I think this one's, so you can see it from 2. You can see it. So that is it. Here money is very legit. If you want to know more, you can message me. My WhatsApp number will be dropped below. So that is just it. Here money is the best. Only is the best. You don't know. You don't know, but you need to know. It's the best so far. It's the best platform that have come the way of time phrases. It's the best. I see it. Showing my evidence on you, like being people will say this guy is just showing us Photoshop stuff. It's not Photoshop stuff. You can see the benefit by Busher here, 21 USD. So I'll just show you guys already. And from my Gmail, the email, I already sent out Busher. You can see it. You just see it from Busher. You can see it. USDT deposited successfully. I Gabriel, we successfully received your deposit of 21 USD. If you have any question or issue with this deposit, contact us at. You can see it. So don't think I Photoshop or this thing or that, please. I beg. That's nonsense. Alright, that's how it is, bro. Sis, everyone, family and friends. This is no joke. Thanks. Bye.